Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a free AI video generator where you can use VEO3, Runway ML, and many other powerful features for completely free. Yes, completely free. In this tool, you can generate not just high-quality videos, but also stunning images and music, all for free. As you all know, nowadays making videos for free with powerful video generators like VEO3, Runway ML is almost impossible. It's rare to find any platform where we can access these powerful tools without paying. Using them free and then creating high-quality videos and images has become a real challenge. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to share a powerful tool with you where you can access all of these powerful features completely free. Yes, whether it's top-quality video generators, image generators, or even music tools like Suno, everything is available here for free. Before we move forward, just take a look at these amazing videos that I just created by using this powerful tool, and you can also make videos like this for completely free. So make sure you watch this video step by step and don't skip any part, because if you miss even a single step, you might not be able to use the tool properly. So first of all, check out the video description. You will find the tool link, just open the link, you'll land directly on the tool homepage. So the tool name is called Kie Api, and here you can already see some seriously powerful tools lined up for you, like VEO3, Suno AI, Runway ML, Flex Context, and some other. Now, if you look at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a login button. Just click on it. After clicking on login, just go ahead and click on the sign up option. All right, once you click on sign up, you can use your Google account or your personal email to register. But here, we're gonna be a little smart here. Instead of using our personal email, we'll use a temporary email. It's easier, faster, and yes, it's a safe method too, so no worries at all. Just open Google and search for tempmail.so. Once the site opens, just log in, you'll get a temporary email address right there. Simply copy that email, come back to the sign up page, and paste it. Right below that, you'll see a verification box, and there'll be a button that says Get Code. Just click on it, and the system will safely send a verification code to that same temporary email. So just go back to the TempMail website, and you'll find a message with your verification code right there in the inbox. Just copy that code, come back here, and paste it into the verification box. After that, pick any username you like, choose a secure password, and finally hit the sign up button. And you're all set. Now just take a look. Right here on the dashboard, you can see all the powerful tools lined up in one place: VEO3, Runway, Suno, MidJourney, and some others. Yes, all of them in one single platform, and the best part? You can use them absolutely free. Now we got some credit to generate videos. So we've already created a few video prompts with the help of ChatGPT. And now we're gonna try them right here using Runway. And now it's time to test them out and see how well Runway handles them. All right. So once you're inside Runway, you'll see two main options: image to video and text to video. So we're gonna try text to video option. So we've already got some cool prompts ready, made with the help of ChatGPT. So now we'll simply copy one of those prompts and paste it right into the box here. Now we'll also choose our preferred settings, and once that's done, we'll simply click on generate. Now, if you take a look, our video has been generated. Just look at the quality. It's super high resolution, the visuals are crystal clear, and the overall result is just perfect. It's incredibly smooth and absolutely stunning, and you can simply download your video right from here. It's that easy. So we've picked another one prompt, and now let's go ahead and paste it here to generate the video. And as you can see, our second video has also started generating, and in just a few moments, it's fully ready. Look at the results, so smooth, so clear, and honestly, really satisfying. The quality is top-notch, and the best part? We generated it completely for free using Runway. Now you might notice that our credits have dropped. Each video costs around 30 credits, so we don't have enough left to generate more videos for now. But don't worry at all, we don't care about credits because we have TempMail trick. Just simply log out of your current account and you'll be taken back to the main page of the tool. From there, you can start the process all over again. Repeat the same steps we followed earlier to create a new account and get fresh credits. All right. So once again, you've received fresh credits, and now you can use them to try out awesome tools like VEO3 and many others. So let's go ahead and try out VEO3. Now you know that VEO3 is a bit hard to access these days, but here you've got it ready to use for free. Once you click on VEO3, you'll see two options. You can either upload an image to generate a video from it, or simply enter a prompt to generate your video through text. Now, we've created a few prompts using ChatGPT, And we've just copied one of them and pasted it right here into the prompt box. After that, we simply clicked on Generate, and as you can see, the video has already started generating, and just in a few moments, it's ready. Take a look at the results. The quality is absolutely stunning, full HD, no watermark at all, and incredibly smooth visuals. It looks clean, professional, and completely free, and the fun part is the video even comes perfectly with soundtrack. That's right, the sound is already built in, and the video looks super high, quality with audio perfectly matched. It's all set and ready, and the best part, you got this amazing video for free. And yes, you can simply download it whenever you want. Now keep in mind, if you use VEO 3, all your credits will be used on just one video. That's because VEO 3 is a very powerful tool, and it even generates video with audio, so naturally it consumes more credits. But don't worry at all, because you all know that we have temp mail tricks, so just relax and sit back. So whenever you ran out of credits, just log out from your current account, head back to temp mail, get a new temporary email, and repeat the process, and you will get the free credits again. So guys, we've shown you the complete process from sign up to generating the unlimited videos with zero cost. We even generated videos live so you could see exactly how it works. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try this tool yourself. It's free, it's convenient, and honestly, it's amazing. But remember, it's free for now. We don't know how long it'll stay that way. So take advantage of it until it's free and explore VEO 3 and all the other incredible tools. And if someday it becomes paid, don't blame us, okay? That just means you were late. So go now, try it out, and make the most of it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your creative ideas with us in the comments. We'll keep bringing you more exciting AI tools and free video generators just like this one. Till then, take care and goodbye.